Want to know the secret to a glowing skin in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. As the beauty industry evolves, so should our skincare practices. This year, it's all about embracing new trends and prioritizing self-care. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to achieving a radiant complexion in 2024. Let's dive into the importance of self-care habits for glowing skin. Hydration, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper sleep are essential. These habits nourish your skin from the inside, maintaining its health and enhancing its natural glow. Remember, the secret to glowing skin begins with self-care. Moving on, let's explore the beauty treatments that can enhance your skin's natural glow. Regular exfoliation, moisturization, and sunscreen are key for maintaining skin health. Advanced treatments like LED light therapy and oxygen facials are also trending in 2024. Investing in the right beauty treatments can take your skin from dull to dazzling. Lastly, let's talk about the skincare products you should be using in 2024. Antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, and retinol are key ingredients to look for. They each play a vital role in skin health. Also, consider opting for clean, cruelty-free, and sustainable products. Choosing the right skincare products is crucial for achieving and maintaining a radiant complexion. So, what are the secrets to achieving a glowing skin in 2024? It's all about maintaining solid self-care habits, exploring the right beauty treatments, and finding the skincare products that work best for you. Incorporating these tips into your routine can truly work wonders. Remember, a glowing complexion is just a few steps away, so why wait? Start your skin glow-up journey today.